So we finished to cut out our door. As you see here, it's nicely cut out. Finish all these area, install 2 angle iron above. Today I want to walk you through the process of how to install your door. So we have a door on the inside which is a fire rated door. We're gonna take that door off and install it right in the open here, or the new door that we created here. And I want to walk you through step by step of how to construct something like this. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go get my knife. We're gonna cut, remove our Tyvek here, and we're gonna punch right through our drywall with approximately the same square as here, and then we're gonna go inside and plumb it up, mark over our 36 inches. The open is 36 inches. That way we can cut into our drywall, remove all of our woods, and then we start our framing. With no further ado, let's get into it. I want to let them put about this up in the place. Right, so I'm removing all my insulation now. You know what, let me just show back this up in here. I'm just gonna cut it off. That way we have insulation above. You see, we have some electrical issues here to deal with. As you see here, I shove my I use a trowel and I shove right to here to the inside. Now we're gonna go on the inside to plumb this up and take our measurement across. We're on the inside now, so as you see, I have the hole that I punched from the outside. It's right here, so we're gonna get our level and we're gonna plumb from here, go all the way up. I'm just gonna put my level right in where the punch mark is. On the drawing, it's called for 4 inches from the wall. That's the measurement called for on the drawing. Here we have 4.5. It's better, it's more than less. We're just playing around with we're gonna go up 83 inches from the floor. Now I can go ahead and mark it. I'm gonna level across. Now we're gonna measure from the mark over 36 inches for our rough open, because our door is 34. 36 inches, so here. So I'm gonna put my mark right on the mark and just plumb it up. We're just going to continue this mark all the way up. So this is where the door is going to be. Now all we need to do is just cut it open. The only tool I have here on site today that I can use is this piece of tool here, and this is what I'm going to use. So we finished to remove our drywall. Now, as you see, I have a wire right where we need to put our door. So I am going to remove this receptacle here. Ideally, you want to shut off your breaker first before you do any form of electrical work, just to prevent electrocuted, just to prevent yourself from getting electrocuted. Alright, so we remove our two studs. You see we cut them off. Just measure 1.5 inches from the edge of my drywall. Measure 1.5 inches from the edge of my drywall, and I cut it up so we can have a header right above our door. But before I do that, I'm gonna go straight across with my header. So as you see, I level my header. Now I'm just gonna screw it in place. So the reason why I do it like this, guys, because for the bottom plate of the door jamb, I kind of do it here so that way it sits directly on a piece of wood here, because this is basically what's supporting this. So that's why I say I kind of cut it instead of to cut this out and go straight through. Guys, as for the electrical, we detour our electrical wire. As you see, we detour it from here, show it over the backs. So what I did there, I fish it right back to here, zoom it out, and I detour it, come right across, come back to, and go back down into the plug that's here now. Hey guys, so now we install our door. Now I'm just checking for plumb. Using some shim over here. Kind of level him up, square him up a little bit. Check back for plumb this way. Also, I'm gonna check for plumb that way. I'm gonna check for some measurement now. I'm trying to go with 4 inches. 4 inches at the top, 4 inches at the bottom. Gonna come over here, same 4 inches. Over here, same 4 inches. I'm gonna check over here. Perfect. Check this way. Beautiful. So where she is, everything looks good to me. All we have to do now is just I'm gonna go inside and check the inside, but everything looks good where she is right now to me. So we need to have 1 inch space on either side. 1 inch. Yeah. Also gonna check just to make sure I have the same measurement in here. 5 1/4. 5 1/4 there. Over here is 5 inches. So for this, I rather to bring this side out to have the same 5 1/4. Reason for that, I'm gonna have casing on the This is a recycled door, guys, so I just reuse the existing door, take it off that side over there. That's what my client wants. So let's go. Guys, I thought my camera was recording, but obviously not. But all we do here, buy a pre-made brick mold in here. As you see, we just install the top one first, and then we cut the side one, put a little bit of wood glue. Now we're just gonna staple it in place. Now we need to just go on the inside with a bit of give you a walk to show you what we have done here. Over here we cut the door open. Before there was a wall block off here, so now they make a separate entrance. So we put up this piece of wall right over here, had our new door. Well, there you have it, guys. Hope you get value from this video. If you do get value from this video, go ahead and give your boy Ryan a thumbs up and subscribe for more comment video like this one. Thank you for watching as always, and I'll catch you in the next one.